Hello everyone. Have you sat down to watch this video to learn something? Yes, if you want to learn something from this video, I would advise you to get a pen and paper, sit down and then start. Okay, and if it is just for information, you can watch it, and whenever you rewatch it and you find there is something informative, do take a pen and paper, sit down and learn something. So today what we will discuss is halogenes and its nomenclature. Now, what do I mean by arenes? Arenes are aromatic compounds. And what is aromatic? Like there is benzene and its homologues. They are aromatic compounds. So is it that, we don't have aromatic compounds without benzene? We do have aromatic compounds which are non-benzenoid also. But today, the focus of discussion is benzene and its homologues, where the hydrogens of the benzene will be replaced with halogen. Okay, so can we start today's lesson? This is benzene, a 6-membered ring with the molecular formula C6H6. Its homologue. Homologue means where one member differs from the next member by a CH2 group. So the homologue of benzene is toluene. Fine. So since we are in halogenes, what we will do is first discuss the monohalogens. Monohalogens means we will replace one of the hydrogen of benzene with a halogen. I'm replacing the hydrogen. Arey Baba, there is a hydrogen at each position of the carbon. Come on, this is bond line, na? In bond line, we neither show the carbon nor the hydrogen. It is understood there is a hydrogen. So I will replace this hydrogen with a halogen. All right. So this is a monohalogen derivative of benzene. Mono means one. So common name is not there. So we'll write the IUPAC name of this compound. The IUPAC name of this compound is halobenzene. If you replace the halogen with chlorine, you will call it chlorobenzene. With bromine, it is bromobenzene. Iodobenzene, so on and so forth. Okay, so this was the monohalogen. Let us go to the dihalogen compound. Di means marna, nahi, do. In chemistry, di means two. Okay, so 2-halogen is a dihalogen, and let us discuss the common name and the IUPAC name of this compound. अभी पूछोगे अरे common name यहाँ से कैसे आ गया? आता है ना भाई? यहाँ पे these adjacent positions besides the right and the left position keeping the halogen. If I don't have the halogen, I don't have the ortho. Okay, so keeping the halogen fixed at its position, these are the ortho positions. Given a small, O, small o likho to ortho pata chalta hai. These positions are called the meta positions, given by a small m. And there is only one para position, that is this para. Abbreviated, or a small p is written small, not capital. So these are the ortho, meta and para positions. And common names जब हम लोग लिखेंगे तो ortho, meta, para वैसे करके लिखना है. जैसे कि ये compound, this compound, right? This compound where you have a dihalo. Now let me start replacing the halogen with chlorine. So the common name of this compound is ortho dichlorobenzene. Okay, common. You can write small o. I told you for आगे मैंने बोला था ऑर्थो लिख सकते हो. So ortho dichlorobenzene. And the IUPAC name, just the ortho, you will replace it with numbers. Okay, the ortho, you will replace it with numbers. So this is 1, 2. ये halogen है. अभी मत पूछो कि 1, 2 भी भूल गए हो, क्यों नंबरिंग पता है ना? Very good. So 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. हाँ हाँ भाई, ये पोजीशन के लिए है 1 and 2. उल्टा करोगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1, 6 हो जाएगा. So the lowest addition rule will not hold true. So that is why you will go clockwise and it is 1, 2. All right? Okay. Now let us go to the trihalogen derivative. Yes, this is the trihalogen derivative. So here you can write ortho, meta, trichlorobenzene, ortho, meta, trichlorobenzene. So in this case, you know, the common name sounds very weird. So let us go to the IUPAC name, which is more refined, more nice to hear. So yes, I don't have to write it, I know. So it is 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene. Okay, I'm not writing, you all know it. So now let us discuss some more options in the dihalogen and trihalogen compounds. Some more options. What option? Yeah. In the dihalogen, I could have this option. है ना? So what is it? ये मेटा है, भूल तो नहीं गए है ना? तो common name अगर लिखे, so this will be meta dichlorobenzene. And the common name, this is meta dichlorobenzene. IUPAC name लिखूं या नहीं लिखूं? अभी तो पता है ना? Yes, you obviously know it. So this is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Can I have another dihalogen option? It is there. Yeah. So the common name of this particular compound, once again, the common name of this compound is para-dichlorobenzene. Para-dichlorobenzene. And the IUPAC name? Yes, 1,4-dichlorobenzene. So these are the three options which we have in the dihalides. 1, 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, 1, 5. So in the fifth carbon, if I put a halogen, so I should go anti-clockwise. Yes, I should start the numbering anti-clockwise. This numbering is wrong because of the locant rule. You're correct. So this would be called 1, 2, 3. Again, 1,3-dichlorobenzene, which is similar to this structure, or it is even called metachlorobenzene. Okay, I hope it is clear. This much is clear. So we have tried three options with dichlorobenzene or dihalo derivatives. There are no other options. Of course, there are options. मुझे पता है तुम लोग क्या बोल रहे हो. बोलूं? ठीक है. तो सोच रहे होंगे कि हैलोजन को आप चेंज करके आप नेमिंग करो ना, तो आता है ना. दिस इज ऑर्थोक्लोरोब्रोमोबेंजीन. ऑर्थो the common name, chlorobromobenzene. And what about the IUPAC name? Do not forget the ABCD rule, the alphabet rule. Yes, so I would call the above compound as 1-bromo, 2-chloro Benzene. Okay, 1-bromo 2-chloro Benzene. I hope it is okay. Yeah, then you can do such variations with bromo iodo, bromo fluoro, chloro iodo. Okay, chloro iodo. It would be just the same. वो बच्चों वाली बात हो गई अभी तुम लोगों के लिए. So आगे बढ़े. Let us go to the other compounds. बहुत सारे चीज है डिस्कस करने के लिए. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So let us go to this, the trihalogen. This was the first trihalogen that I had written. This is one option. Let us try the other. This another way. और कुछ possibility करोगे तो you will land up with the same compound. Okay, so the common name is only present for this compound and it is called symmetrical trichloro benzene. Symmetrical trichlorobenzene, and the IUPAC name would be 135 trichlorobenzene. The others are not symmetric now. So how would we have common names for them? So the IUPAC name, this compound one is 1,2,3 trichlorobenzene. लिखना है तो तुम लोग लिखो भाई, मैं क्यों लिखूं? लिखो, okay? And this one 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand मैंने numbering? Why have I started from below? Yeah. तो लोएस्ट एडिशन रूल ऊपर से चालू करोगे तो लोएस्ट एडिशन फॉलो नहीं होता. नहीं, मैं अभी एडिशन वेडिशन ये सब नहीं सिखाऊंगी. अभी तुम लोगों को आदत पड़ गई लोएस्ट एडिशन रूल का. If you have watched my videos sincerely. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. All right, fine. Okay, so let me try one last variation, which is the tetrahalo. यहाँ पे भी 2-4 options हो सकते हैं. So you can call this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कैसे भी numbering करो, clockwise, anti-clockwise, you should choose the lowest sum rule, lowest addition rule. All right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 5 tetrachlorobenzene. 1, 2, 3, 5 tetra chlorobenzene. See, now if I mix up halogens, and give it to you, you have to follow the lowest addition rule, the lowest sum rule, along with the alphabet rule. Okay, so let me do one question and then wind up this benzene business. So if I go to this symmetric bromochloroiodobenzene, symmetric, then how do you think you should do the numbering? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Yeah, you are following the alphabet rule. You're right. So it is 1 bromo, 3 chloro, 5 iodo, benzene. ठीक है? Happy? So we have finished the benzene compounds. अभी क्या करना है बताओ? We need to deal with toluene. Toluene में बहुत सारे variations, variety, बहुत कुछ सीखने का और सिखाने का है. आगे बढ़े? Okay. So let us proceed with toluene. The first thing which I would like to toluene is, this is toluene, replace one of the hydrogen or just take out one of the hydrogen from the methyl carbon. Methyl carbon. You know what this group? It has a special name which is called benzyl, the benzyl radical. So after taking out one hydrogen from toluene, okay, what you get is the benzyl radical. This is benzyl. You can put a halogen there now. Okay, we are coming to it. Just hang on. Again, from benzyl, you take another hydrogen out. So this is called the benzyl. Yes, this is called the benzyl. And there is yet another variation which you can do. You take out the last hydrogen, and this is called benzo. So here starts the nomenclature business, right? So let us proceed to the first one, which is replacing the hydrogen with a halogen. So obviously, you know the common name. The common name of this compound is benzyl chloride. अरे भाई ब्रोमो भी ले सकते हो, आयोडो भी ले सकते हो, तो नाम तो सिर्फ फर्क क्या होगा? क्लोराइड को ब्रोमाइड बोलोगे, ब्रोमाइड के बदले में आयोडाइड अगर है तो उसको बेंजाइल आयोडाइड बोलोगे ना, और क्या, बस. ओके, इसका आईयूपैक नेम है क्या? तो हाउ डू वी डिसाइड कि पेरेंट बंदा कौन है, बेंजीन और द कार्बन एलिफैटिक कार्बन बंदा? हाउ? रिमेंबर, फोकस, whichever group has the halogen attached, whichever group has the halogen attached, that is the parent. Okay, जैसे कि you know the IUPAC name of this compound, you will take this as the parent. So methane is the parent. Why? इसमें halogen attached है ना, so you will give a lot of weightage to the halogen which is attached to the group and उसी को parent बना दो. तो अभी जो बेंजीन है इसको बेंजीन नहीं बोलोगे. जब पेरेंट डिसाइड हो गया मीथेन है, मीथेन क्यों? अरे बाबा, पहले भी बोला था कि हाइड्रोजन तो मैटर ही नहीं करता है, एक कार्बन हुआ काफी है मीथेन बनाने के लिए. ओके, तो एक कार्बन है तो मीथेन पेरेंट है. तो अभी बेंजीन का क्या? बेंजीन इज नॉट द पेरेंट. तो इफ बेंजीन इज नॉट द पेरेंट, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फिनाइल. याद रहेगा क्या? फिनाइल. सो दिस इज द फिनाइल ग्रुप. तो क्लोरो को मत भूलो, 1 क्लोरो, 1 phenyl, methane. That is the IUPAC name of the compound. Okay, and चलो इसके आइसोमर लिखते हैं. This one. So if we have halogen and chlorine, which one should be the parent? क्या लिखो? क्लोरोटोलीन लिखो, या क्लोरोमिथाइल बेंजीन लिखो, या मिथाइल क्लोरोबेंजीन लिखो? बताओ क्या करना है? Sorry. So this is according to IUPAC. Alphabet. 1Q सोच रहे होंगे ना, क्लोरो का C पहले आता है ना, तो 1 ऑब्वियसली उधर ही लगाओगे ना. So this is 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. Okay, so the isomer of benzyl chloride, the isomer of benzyl chloride is having the IUPAC name 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene. What about the common name? कॉमन नेम है, क्योंकि इसके कॉमन नेम है. क्लोरोबेंजीन के कुछ कॉमन नेम है ही नहीं, है ना? क्लोरोबेंजीन का कॉमन नेम बताया था नहीं ना, तो इसके कुछ कॉमन नेम है ही नहीं. तो इफ यू वांट टू कॉल इट बाय द कॉमन नेम, यू विल कॉल इट टोलीन, क्योंकि मिथाइल बेंजीन का कॉमन नेम टोलीन है. So you can call it orthochlorotoluene. Understood? Orthochlorotoluene. Huh. Abhi, you can have metachlorotoluene, you can have parachlorotoluene, and so on and so forth. All right? Okay. Now, let us handle the Benzyl cases. So, since we have two hydrogens replaced with a chlorine, what will you call this? The common name? Benzyl. Dichloride bolo, chloride bolo, वही बात है, because you know the tetravalency of carbon. Di बोलो भी नहीं, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And it's understood कि दो chlorines होने ही पड़ेंगे. और benzyl बोल दिया ऊपर से. Benzyl बोला means carbon में सिर्फ एक ही हाइड्रोजन है. तो it's obvious कि और दोनों positions are occupied with halogens. So this is benzyl dichloride, and the IUPAC name, yes, I think you got it right, and that is 1,1-dichloro 1-phenyl methane. Okay, and going to the trihalide of toluene. So the common name, what happens if a carbon which is attached to the benzene does not have any hydrogen? It is called, yes, sorry, yes, correct, benzo trichloride. To be safe, na, try लिख देते हैं. So benzo trichloride, and the IUPAC name of this compound is 1,1,1-trichloro 1-phenyl methane. All right. I hope you have sincerely learned something, and you can do a lot of variation with a lot of, compounds, and come up with its, common and IUPAC name. So, giving you the basics of toluene and its derivatives, you can do any other questions, I hope, with aromatic compounds. You have an ethyl and say you have a chloro. So again, the numbering would be this way, and the IUPAC name would be 1-chloro, 3-ethyl, benzene. Yeah, and the common name, we do not have a common name for ethyl benzene. We do not have. So that is why you can simply call it meta chloroethyl benzene. So you can introduce those ortho meta para in case you want to write the common names. Okay, with this, I would like to wind up today's class. And yes, if you are wondering what will I teach in my next video, I would take up some important, very important halogen compounds. All right, very important halogen compounds. So let us go to a task which I would like to give, and of course I would discuss it in my next video, and that is put a double bond only once and a CH2Cl. Okay, let this be little informative. This is called cinnamyl. The common name of this compound is cinnamyl chloride. Right, cinnamyl chloride. So the task for you all is to write the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, another task. There's a Cl here. Yeah. Again, the second compound, yeah, it is a very important insecticide, you can call it. So these are the two compounds that we will discuss for the next class, the next video. Yeah. Do not forget, I too, I'm a human being, nah. Yes, I would require my video. If you have liked it, do not forget, don't only watch, please press the thumbs up button, please like it. It means a lot to me and it will keep me working for all of you. Okay, so do not forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.